Hello everyone, this is Jaya, an English trainer. Today in this video, I am going to talk about English language for few minutes. My dear viewers, please kindly notice this. There is nothing for you to teach English grammar or any lesson in this video. The first thing that you need to understand over here is I am not going to teach you how to write in English. Most of you already good at it, right?
You can write very well, but you are unable to speak fluently. The reason is that when you're writing, first of all, nobody watching. And another thing is that when you're writing, you have time to think.
But when you're speaking, the words need to come out instantly. So that brings you in a difficult position. That's why speaking becomes difficult than writing. I want you to know one thing. No matter who laughs at you, no matter who laughs at your personality, no matter who laughs at your accent, some stupid persons would be there around us to criticize. Don't bother about those words. Let them cry. Don't worry, there is huge crowd to appreciate you. I want you to remember that whatever I am going to talk with you in this video is just a little hint about the fact that it has happened with everybody. Is it possible to improve or learn our English language within 45 days or 60 days? I would say yes. It's depend upon your efforts. If you show 100% efforts on it, you can learn within 60 days or 45 days. There are many people who know all the grammar parts. They are perfect in grammar, but they cannot speak confidently. On the other side, there are some people who don't know grammar much, but they are very confident speakers. So, grammar is not issue. The main issue is confidence. We have fear of English. That's the main issue. The another problem we have is we have weak emotional personalities. I am not talking about strong personalities.
We get hurt very easily, we worry a lot, we get angry quickly. This is the sign of weak emotional personality.
I don't think you should care about that. Who are they to judge you? Do they speak in English perfectly with perfect accent like native speakers? No, absolutely no. Then, why are you bothering about those words? Just ignore. I have absolutely no English background. I studied in a Telugu medium school. I learned English myself and I have been learning myself. I wanted to become an English teacher, so I became. Being an English teacher, I feel very happy. Really, I am saying I never thought that I would be able to touch so many people's lives through YouTube channel in my lifetime. I am thankful to each and every subscriber and each and every viewer of my channel.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it.